How to add friends in Among Us. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to add friends in Among Us. It's a simple process, so follow these steps carefully. If you're using an iPhone or iOS device or an Android device, the process is same for both. Then after, open the Among Us application on your device, and upon opening the game, you will see the home screen where you can customize your settings. To add friends, go to the Friends tab at the top right corner of the screen. Here you will view your friend list, recently played with players, and more. To add a friend, click on the respective option. If someone sends you a friend request, you can confirm it right here. Alternatively, you can add a friend through a code. Click on the option and enter the friend's code. To share your code, click on I icon, copy the code and send it to your friend. Both parties need to accept each other's request to be added to their friend list. This is the only way to add friends in Among Us. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips. Thank you for watching.